Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn basic prompting techniques, like how a beginner can start utilizing ChatGPT. So I'll start with basic techniques so that whoever is new to ChatGPT can easily start learning. So let's say for this I'll try to write at least 5 to 10 prompts here, and then so that it will be easy to understand. So for first prompt we can try out some we can try to understand some web series concepts, like from Netflix. If we talk about the latest or any let's say any web series, like let's say a dark web series is very interesting and people won't easily understand in one go, so we can start asking ChatGPT how it can help us. So we can simply write like hey, please explain the netflix 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 web series uh, dark. Dark. I want to understand the concept behind this uh, series and want to know more about the mystery behind mystery. Then if I hit enter now, it will give some basic understanding or uh, some idea about the web series. But if we want to use some prompting techniques, then we can write like uh, explain in less than, let's say, less than 2000 words. Then please explain the main idea or the central plot behind each part of the series. Also explain how the ending happens. So now if I press enter, it will give some yeah. So now we can see that we have given the prompt that to give the context or the to generate the output in less than 2000 words. So it has done exactly like that. So it's showing that it's about time travel, family secrets, nature of fates, and how it is connected. Now it's giving about the central concepts which we see in this web series, like it's a time is a loop, then a wormhole concept is also there, then there are 4 families involved, then we see apocalypse also, then the concept of parallel world. Then it explains every season, the main plot, the mystery behind, and key idea. So like this we can check like this. So now I'll try to further optimize this prompt and further to get a kind of summary of this whatever ChatGPT has generated. So now I will give the prompt like can you give a summary of this response that you have generated. I want every detail in the form of a table. keyboard. Now let's see what it is generating. So we'll just check. Okay guys, so now we can see that it has generated everything in the form of a kind of table where we have sections and details. So for every season it has given a summarized detail of everything and also explained the ending along with the characters and message. So now I'll switch to another prompting topic. So now we can start with the we can simply ask if let's say if anyone works in IT, then we can simply ask give me the order of execution of SQL elements along with example. So it will make us understand how every element inside a SQL, where clause, select clause, joins, how it works and what is the correct order. So it has, I think, given the order and also the purpose, and apart from that it has also given a simple example for us to understand. It has generated a sales table which we can utilize. We can check this query and we can from here we can get to know that it will first this from clause will run, then these will be the orders after where, after group by. Then again I'll move to another prompting topic. Let's say we can ask give me list out all the latest developments that have been done in the past 1 month. Explain it in detail. See, here I haven't given anything like the AI or anything, but it knows that what developments I'm talking about. So it has given us a comprehensive overview of all the domains. So in the field of technology and AI, what is the current scenario, what is happening. So it is giving that. Then in science and health, it is giving the latest development. So from here we can directly get these responses. I know that we can also Google it out, but the thing is that if we Google it out, we'll get lot of links. Then we'll have to again go and search every link and then find which is a relevant response. But here we'll get the concise and summarized form of all the responses. So that is the advantage of using ChatGPT. So now I'll again move to the another topic. I can simply ask list out top 5 problems faced by people nowadays and how it can be solved with the help of AI technology. And for the example, we can also provide examples so that ChatGPT will better understand in what perspective and for what context we are trying to generate the response. So we can simply write like this: refer the below example to given the prompt, like to list out top 5 problems. So now it is generating the top 5 problems, like mental health issues, climate change, healthcare accessibility, and it is also providing the explanation and also giving the AI based solution, like what we can do, like for healthcare care we can design kind of AI based diagnostic systems like X-ray imaging and quick diagnosis app, something like that. So this it is providing. So now I will try to again prompt some different topic, like, so now here I have taken this one, like to let's say if there is a research scholar, so he or she wants to get the top 3 research papers from each domain. So this is the thing, like in these domains I have given the prompt, like please generate kind of table along with 4 columns, and I have also given the prompt like what each column will generate. So after hitting enter, I got these research papers, and I have also clicked on this one, like if we click on this link, then it will generate yeah, it will give us the link, and then we can start reading it out and we can start utilizing it. So in this way, but here see I have asked it to generate top 3 research papers, I mean like for every domain top 3 research papers, but it has generated only 1 research paper for each domain. So now I'll ask again to generate the top 3 research paper. So there will be total of 12. So like this way we can simply ask ChatGPT to remodify the response. So we know that ChatGPT cannot give us the perfect response every time. So we need to a little bit modify our prompts, and we need to dig in deep into the output it has generated. So now I have asked it, and now it has generated all the 12 rows, and then we can go and directly simply click to get the research paper. So this is all about this video, guys. So I hope you would have got some idea like how to start prompting in using ChatGPT. So this is using ChatGPT is very easy. You can literally ask anything, but in order to maximize the power of your prompt, you need to do little bit prompting. You need to use little bit of prompting techniques, and you'll understand that while just changing a prompt little bit, we can change the response, and we can get the desired response. So that is all about the prompting. So prompting is basically the like designing prompt in such a way so that we can get the desired response that we want. So okay guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video soon.